Here's another short video. The CAC tubes, the charged air cooler tube on this 2007 Ford. It's the 6.0. On the blue tube there, I replaced both of them. This one actually ended up blowing off. Now what I had done is I went online, found both of them. I got them by themselves without replacement clamps or anything. But as I was putting these back on, making sure that's suspended, not rubbing on anything, I found out that these nuts were stripped out. Went down to the hardware store, got the nylon inserted lock nuts just like what was on it, and put those on. I'm trying to remember the torque. I want to say it was like 97 inch-pounds, which is really cranking it down. But I replaced those. These are heavy duty compared to the stock Ford ones that were on there. This up here, the one I replaced out, it was starting to crack, getting to the point of maybe it was letting some air through. But replaced that. Happy with the way that turned out. But a very easy fix that you could do at home, out in the yard under the shade tree. But look around, these two, there was like 4 colors. You could even get them in pink. Not that I want pink, but if this was my daughter's truck, she'd want them to be pink. But 4 different colors, $100 delivered for both of the hose sleeves. But anyway, easy fix, check it out. Apparently because of the heat of the vehicle, those wear out quite often. Hope this helps.